So, hello everyone. I am Palak Gupta, and this is our new series. In this series, we solve the top 100 question of pre-Pinsta, which is provided by a pre-Pinsta. So, this is our first problem. Check if a number is a positive or negative. So, let's see. Let's begin it. So, what is our logic? So, let's begin the logic. What is our logic, right? First question is, what is our logic? How we are check the entire number is a positive or negative. Suppose we enter 5. Suppose we enter here a 5, right? How we are saying and how we are checking? We normally saying that this is a negative, this is a positive, right? Because this is a this is in a plus way, right? So this is a positive. How can we say the number is a negative? Because the number is a less than 0. Think you all are reading one maths topic. No one that we are all in a particular maths side, so we know that in our 10th or 9th standard, this line graph is comes, right? Line graphs all are learn about a line graph, right? Which type of our line graph? Suppose this is a line. Sorry, can we erase it? Right, we can erase it. We took a line, right? So this is our line, right? So in here, there's a many things on here. Line zero, yeah, right? Don't we like this? So this is our line graph, right? So we have a many. Suppose there is a 0, right? There's a 1, there's a 2, right? There's a 3, there's a 4, right? Or dot 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 dot. Okay? Or there's a -1, right? There's a -2, there's a -3, right? There's a -4. So these all are here. So how can we find the number is a positive or negative? If our number is a greater than 0, so we said that the number is a positive. If our number is a less than 0, so we said that this is a negative number. You see in this a line graph. If our number is 5, so basically it is in this side, right? If our entire number is 5, so it is in a right hand side, right? In a plus side, in a positive way, right? So we said that if our number is a greater than 0, so we says the entire number is a positive number. If our entire number is a negative, right? If our entire number is -2, so how can we say it is a negative number? If we check the entire number is less than 0, so we said that this is a negative, right? Understand? So number aligned here, right? So this is basically our logic. Now we implement in our code. So I created my folder with the name of a pre-Pensida. So here I created my file with the name of a positive-negative.java, right? So positive-negative.java. I used a shortcut name, so don't be confused about this name, right? So here I type my code. Forget to return a main, so don't be confused, right? So what's our logic, right? Our logic, if our number is greater than 0, so then we call the number is a positive, right? And if our number is less than 0, right? Is less than 0, so we call the number is a negative, right? This is our logic. Now the question is comes out, how can we implement it? So here I took one number. I initialize the value of my 5, right? Not of -5, we check it, right? So our logic, if we check a condition, if n is greater than 0, if n is greater than 0, so we print the number is positive, right? So the number is a positive, right? Else if में हम क्या देख लेते हैं, what we are checking on here, if our number is less than 0, if our number is less than 0, then we print what we are print, we print the entire number is negative, right? The entire number is negative. Now there is a one question occurs, right? If someone enter the number is 0, so where this is gone, so we took a one another condition, as if n equal to 0, then we print the number is 0, right? If someone enter others like a special character like alphabet, so in this case this says errors occur, right? So getting my point, if our number is a greater than 0, so we print the number is a positive, right? If our number is a less than 0, so we print the number is a negative, right? If someone's come and enter number as a 0, so how can we says the number is a positive, negative? So in this case, there is a, we put one another condition, if our number is equal to 0, so then they prints the number is a 0, right? If someone comes and the number is comes like alphabets and special character in some case, right? So this is errors occur, right? So can we run it? Don't be worried, the video is going so lengthy, so just chill down, and the journey is so amazing. So the number is positive, right? If we enter -7, if we enter -7, so what's going on there? The number is a negative. If someone comes and the number's value is 0, so what's going on there? The number is 0. If someone comes and the entire number is like right, like you are all confused, so we now it is your question why it is occurs, right? So you all learn about the ASCII value, and now we print a n value, right? Firstly says now we print a l value. Now we print a l value, right? Look at this here, right? Why it is happened? 64. Why it is happened? You all learn about the ASCII value. So in a ASCII value, when we enter any special character in a integer format, right, and we pass in a integer format, so what it is going on a back end, it is firstly convert the entire number, it is in a ASCII value, then it is print. So that's why it is print the number is a positive. So don't be confused about it, right? So that's why it is happened. So just fine. Or if you have not learned about the ASCII value, so I put some links on my description, so now must we check it. And so this is our video. Okay, bye. So I give you one question. My question is, you check the number is odd or even. This is your question, right? And when we complete this question, so please